Okay, so I'm going to draw what I'm going to do. So same thing, it's easy way. You see me do roses, you see me do sunflowers, and all different cute simple. I want to do is really simple one, so then you don't feel like it's too hard to do. 2 big petals here and 2 smaller one. So many different way, and it's just like getting a beads and start molding it. That's all. That's it. Simple, right? All right, move this on the side. Gonna have that's one, and we're gonna do again, press down, 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 because it's a big beads, and then again with the next one. You see that it start getting a little bit of the residues here, so all you need to do is clean this one. I don't use alcohol to manipulating my powder, only use alcohol to clean the tip of the tool. It was like, I thought it was white off already. So we are going to like sculpting this. Down. I'm gonna draw this petal to be like a pointed, more like a tulip together. Okay. And then you see that residue too? I'm gonna wipe it, dip in the alcohol and wipe it and clean this. So a lot of you are getting your 4D gels, and if you have like a troubleshooting like that, it's only when you're seeing this and you just stop for a second, clean it. Yeah, I don't know, you can see on the side, if I have the dishes right on my right. Clean it first. You don't dip in there to create your petals or sculpting it, you just use it to clean your petals. And then if you feel you want more, you can add more for your flowers. Okay. And sometimes it's a darker pigment. You want to make sure that you get it good, so then you won't get contaminated and messes around with a darker pigment. So now we are going to give it just a little bit of like a really flash here for about maybe 20 seconds. Okay. Okay, 20 seconds quick. And then moving on, we are going to get 4 more smaller beads from this, as the picture I draw it for you. So I'm going to get like 4 more smaller beads. This bead is smaller. And we're going to do 1 2 1 2. So 1 smaller beads, You don't have to hear the suggestions. You don't have to get all of them are the same length. I mean, same size. You can have one petal to be bigger than others. You don't have to get exactly identical. So everybody different. It's going to turn out really nice anyway. There you go. I think, should I get green on this one? Like bright green. You think? Are you still awake, babe? Huh?
I'm still here.
You still here, but are you still awake? I just make sure that, Mika, you still awake?
Yes, ma'am.
You know what? It just feels really different because a lot of you are asking on both on the Glitz page and on this page. So I want to make sure that I listen and answer for your requests. So look, it just looks really like, oh my gosh. It doesn't look right. It looks right. You just give it a couple of, let it set. I'm going to do this one first. Down. See how it just like don't get too too aggressive. Just press it down and go to draw it all the way on the tips and go to the right and then go to the left. This is like really beautiful, deep purple. It's kind of perfect for like short nail, long nails. And all season you can do this. Like it doesn't matter if it's the winter time or the summertime. Am I still under the camera? Oh my god, it looks cute under the camera. So draw it. Hey, I'm so glad everybody's still awake. Thank you so much. Happy Wednesday. Hey, Instagram fam, Facebook fam, YouTube fam.
And a quick reminder, any product you see next to use is available on our official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
Now you see, start feeling it tacky, right? Dip in that dish and wipe off the residues. And then you can able to detail this. This is not dry, so you are going to have like a freaking plenty of time to play with the products to work. But here the suggestions, here the tip and trick, just do it really. You literally don't have to do anything. The brushes do all the work for you already. Just really like give it a little bit of a soft touch. That's all you need to. You don't even need to go aggressive. No need to. So down, down, and in the tip of it, you can draw the petals. I'm really like go slow motions right now, so then you will never gonna have to worry about missing it. This is neat at first. I would say need a little bit patience first, like not to be rushed, because then sometimes when you rush, it's just pat, 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 pat. Oh my god, it's just mushy now. It doesn't work. Just give it, because you are going to control it. Like you can control it completely. You can't rush. The same with you doing liquid and powder. The rush and you don't wait for it to set, and you rush it so hard, it is not going to listen to you because it needs time for it to set the way you want. But this one, it doesn't have to. But you can't. It means that you can't rush it and then just pat it so fast. It's gonna go flat, and you wonder why it doesn't look like texture for you. But then here's a first step. When you get it like a techniques down, and you can go fast forwards really fast. Bam, bam, bam. Your flowers will be done in like no time with your nails or your client's nail. But to give you the time to just control it first, manipulating, and then when you get hang of it, OMG, you can go so fast, like non-stop. The other nails that I did it the other days with the bee nails, it won't take me so long at all. You lost the live video.
It crashed.
Should turn it off notification. Hey, we have Facebook and YouTube still here. I'm so glad that if someone who was on the Instagram watching is awesome. Sorry that technical difficulty, it crashed. I'm so glad that you're watching it. If you're not, I'm sorry. We might have some video later for you. All right, happy with this? We're going to gear. It looks really cool though. Fast gear, quick. Just for a second. And then you can go ahead and use more deep purple. I like that deep purple, and I'm gonna add some hey, part 2. Thank you so much. Sorry Instagram for technical difficulty. I'm back right now. And for all of you just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Subscription Such live tutorial. And sorry, it was like, this is the second nail. The first nail we did is this beautiful like yellow. I'm using a yellow sun. Second nails, we're using a deep purple. And I'm adding a couple of the can you check what the number is this? Another one. Really nice purple colors. I love it. I didn't know that I love it that much. It's deep. All right, so I'm at 4 more, be smaller ones than the petals. So now all your petal is already really nice and secure, so you don't have to worry about you messing up. Only when you cure, when you are happy with this. If you're not happy with this, you are going to just try to get all of them are the way you want first. And then before you cure, okay? Because you don't want to cure when you're like, oh my gosh, I want to fix this petal to be a little bit better. Then do it first before you are going to cure. Because when you cure, it's set up. Is things good?
Mm-hmm. Hey, welcome back everyone. Sorry that was disruptive.
Probably Instagram fall to sleep.
Yeah, Instagram worked too hard. Gotta break it a little once in a while now.
Maybe no, because they're probably watching me and doing it. It's just so boring part. But you know what?
Like you have that voice. It's just nice and soothing. When people listen to you, just
my kids is telling me that, Mommy, I'm watching your live videos and fall to sleep. I said, how? It's kind of nice compliments with your voice. But then I said, oh, must be content so boring. That's why she's fall to sleep. But hey, whatever it is, case is going to be a great compliment. I will take it as a really nice compliment.
Oh, that's good. Like, hey, so you can watch for the design, or if it help you fall asleep.
Yeah, that'll be good. I needed it.
Keep watching. That's all we're doing.
It's like, okay, I'm put on the sides and watching, just listening. And then if I fall to sleep, That'll be awesome. I just checking that as long as it's 2 human beings next to me here, Mika and he will not fall to sleep, I'm good. Second host, who's gonna help me answer the question? No, not yet. They might wake up when we put crystal on. See, so we'll never go anywhere without crystal. So okay, continue. I know here's something that I want to share with you to not being kind of remind, but kind of not remind. It just depends. whatever you doing it at the first is might be freaking hard because you think it hard, like it's hard. And then sometimes you see that a little bit the first start, then my nails get cuticles, my hand get cuticle oil, and the top coat is like, okay, the beats were like, hey Nancy, I'm gonna strike today, I'm gonna make your live video is gonna be really bad and miserable. You can't challenge me. I'm gonna just beat you down and then get you into beautiful flowers. So if you think it's really hard to do just because you're thinking it's actually is not. Trust me, give yourself a couple of times, at least couple times. Don't do one time and give up. Couple times, even do one paddle, get couple times, and then you will get hang of it. If you try 2 times or 3 times, then I'll let you like give up. But if you want to try 1 time, don't, because you see it's not only I'm talking about the flowers. This is a flower technique, but it's great technique, great one of a technique to take your business to the next level. So if you like love the 3D flowers, the clients request so many, and then you are like, oh my god, I can't do it. It's just I don't do it, or you're afraid of it's the weather is not allow you to do it, and then you can get the 40 gel is gonna back you up every freaking single time. Look, I'm just like playing with this, and you're not even messed up with this. With the acrylics, it's already set by yesterday, so you don't even thinking like you still have the powder, the petals for you to like have manipulating. Happy with this? We're going to cure this beauty for a 60-second completely cure, and then we'll go back with the, but we already cured this one, and then we're gonna go back with the some beautiful crystals on this. Okay, so let me get my